YouTube. I'm going to bring you a tutorial on how to make a zipper pull, and two colors I chose are black and orange. And let's get started. So you melt your two ends and then move it over a little bit like this to where the melted ends aren't going to show on the zipper pull. And you make your length and you flip your cord back around and you start your cobra. This first weave right here is a little tough to do because your whole thing isn't moving on you. Please go follow my Instagram at JER_B34R, and I have a Facebook page too. I'll put that in the description along with my Instagram. I watch Board Paracord's videos. He makes a lot of cool bracelets, and I make those. Like I made this one, the humpback fishtail. The back looks like a fishtail, and it's like a triangle, each colors. And then, yeah, I don't know, I like this. I just made this a couple days ago. Pink, because breast cancer awareness month. But, yeah, just cut the ends off when you get to your desired length. A lot of people have different smoothing tools. At first I was using, my fingers to smooth it down, and it really doesn't help when you use your fingers. I then started using the scissors. Seen that on a video. Thought it was pretty clever because you're using the scissors to cut the paracord, so why not use it to flatten out everything. And then I found this. I really don't, it's like a blade for some kind of saw or drill that I found in my garage. So I started using it. I'm going to try to find an actual little handheld tool, so I'm not using this because it's kind of hard to hold, and you gotta flatten them at an angle. Also, fids are a big thing in paracording. So if you're gonna really consider doing bracelets and keychains and all that other stuff, you really gotta invest in one of these. This one was like $3-4 at Hobby Lobby. They have this little screw right here. Here, I'll show you how it works. Well, you gotta find your piece of cord you want to hook through. You gotta melt the end down a little bit at an angle to where it fits in that, like that. And then you insert it in, you screw the paracord in, and you can like do it to a bracelet like this. That's how I did the ribbons, is went through, did the ribbons like that. I don't know, there's a whole bunch of different ways. Like I could add a little ribbon right here, I guess, if I wanted, but it's orange, so I don't know if that would really look good. But yeah, these fids are pretty handy to have if you're gonna really consider doing this. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, he's a zipper pull. They're pretty handy to take on hikes and bike rides through the mountains and all that stuff. So, thanks for watching. I'll make some more videos soon. Catch you later.